Ben and friends. 3 is a magic number. Words. Beautiful. The garden is green and beautiful. Pencil. Pat has a yellow pencil. Play. They play with the ball and car. Magic. 3 is a magic number. Word quiz. They blank with the ball and car. The garden is green and blank. Three is a blank number. Pat has a yellow blank. Story time. Ben, Sam, and Pat are friends. They are in the big garden. The garden is green and beautiful. Sam has a red ball. Ben has a blue toy car. Pat has a yellow pencil. Let's play, Ben says. They run and they jump. They play with the ball and car. It is very fun. 1, 2, 3 friends smile. 3 is a magic number. They are very happy friends now. Read aloud. They are in the big garden. Pat has a yellow pencil. It is very fun. They are very happy friends now. Reading quiz. Who are friends? Ben, Sam, and Pat. Only Ben. What does Sam have? A red ball. A blue toy car. Where are they? In the house? In the garden? Are they happy? No, they are sad. Yes, they smile.